Welcome to FiberMall's 200-gram QSFP56 AOC and 200-gram QSFP56 to 2-zone 100-gram QSFP56 AOC product video. The 200-gram QSFP56 AOC and 200-gram QSFP56 to 2-zone 100-gram QSFP56 AOC provides 4 data transmission channels at speeds up to 56 Gbps, 4 per channel. They can transmit up to 100-meter reach and support InfiniBand and Ethernet modes. Minimum bending radius up to Tigapololima. Test 1. 200-gram QSFP56 AOC for switch-to-switch. In this test, we can use one AOC to connect 2 switches for interconnection. 200G QSFP56 AOC switch-to-switch connectivity applications can be achieved by inserting both ends of the AOC modules into the switches. Test 2. 200-gram QSFP56 AOC for NIC to NIC. We can use 2 AOCs to connect 2 network cards to one switch for interconnection between the 2 network cards. By inserting both ends of the 2 AOC modules into the network interface cards, NICs, and switch ports, respectively, interconnectivity between NICs can be established. Test 3. 200-gram QSFP56 to 2-zone 100-gram QSFP56 AOC for NIC to NIC. We can use 200-gram QSFP56 to 2-zone 100-gram QSFP56 AOC to connect 2 network cards to a switch for interconnection. Use a 200-gram QSFP56 to 2 times 100-gram QSFP56 AOC by inserting the 200-gram end into the switch and the 2 100-gram ends into separate NICs, enabling interconnection via the switch. Green indicator light indicates a successful connection. After successful connection, you can check the module information, DDM information, and NIC connection status through commands. – 200-gram QSFP56 AOC and 200-gram QSFP56 to 2-zone 100-gram QSFP56 AOC assemblies are high-performance, high-bandwidth, and cost-effective interconnect solutions, which support 200-gram standards with different data rate applications. For any inquiries, please visit FiberMall.com.